Okay, good day. So today we will be having a look at the cecum and appendix. So this is cecum, this is appendix, this is part of the terminal ileum, and up here is part of the ascending colon. So you can see here, this is one of the tinea coli, this is free tinea, and over here at the posterior medial here should be the mesocolic tinea. Okay, this is appendix, base of appendix, tip of appendix. The appendix has mesoappendix, and you can see the appendicular artery in the mesoappendix. This is one haustra, one circulation, and if you can see, there's a small pouch-like peritoneum here. That's the appendices epiploicae, yellowish because contains fat. Now let's open up the cecum. Okay, here you can see opening of the appendix into the cecum, and here is the opening of the terminal ileum into the cecum, and it is called the ileocecal orifice. You can see valve superior and inferior to the ileocecal orifice. That's the ileocecal valve. The ileocecal valve unite laterally. It's called frenulum. And on this side also unite, the ileocecal valve unite, called the frenulum. Okay, now let's have a look on the posterior surface. So you can see there's another tinea here. That's the omental tinea. Here another appendices epiploicae. This is part of the terminal ileum, appendix. Okay, that's all for cecum and appendix. Thank you.